Hi, Kenny. Thank you so much for your week three poems and for sharing them with me. I want to start with your first poem, Time to Go. Um, I really dug the intention behind this poem, this idea of, you know, people get so upset about children just being kids out in the world and they forget that we were all kids at one point. I think that's really interesting. I think it's really funny that you refer to this speaker as Cruella de Vil. Um, I do want to say what might add to this poem for me is if you gave us a little bit more sensory detail about where you are. So I can't really place it, right? Like, are you at a coffee shop? Are you at a doctor's office? Are you on an airplane? Are you in a park? And so I think that might add to the sympathy of the reader to the situation of the kids in the poem if we had a more clarity around where it's located. Um, this second one, your questions, I want to address your questions. Is there such a thing as being too repetitive? And should I have given scenarios? So I do think that you could place this poem in scenes. I think that's what you mean by scenarios. That you could actually place this experience, this narrator, she is her, her is I, this she, in scenes, and that would enhance the poem. Um, I think right now it's conceptual. That's not a bad thing. I'm just trying to address your question, right? So right now it reads as very conceptual, very much in the head. But if you wanted it to be more literal and more in the body and more in space and time, then I think including some scenes explaining these sort of conceptual ideas that are being addressed in the poem, that could be helpful. Um, One of the things is that this you're saying that this poem is giving a little background about yourself, um, but I don't think that we have any details about yourself in this poem. So what are the things that you're trying to express, and what are the details that could help you express them? Would be a question to address in a next edit. I'm really glad that you were inspired by Juan Felipe Herrera. He's amazing. And you should totally check out more of his work online if you're interested. Thank you so much for your work this week, and I hope you're having a great day.